All right, let's dive into a platform that's been making some serious waves in the online business world, Groove.cm. It's making this huge promise to be the one tool to rule them all. But is it really a game changer, or is this whole thing just a little too good to be true? We're about to find out.
So let me ask you this. What if you could find one single digital tool that could slash your business expenses by over $17,000 a year? I know it sounds kind of crazy, right? That is the massive, almost unbelievable claim at the heart of Groove.cm. And today, we're going to put it to the test.
And this is right from their website, the ultimate platform for explosive growth. I mean, that's a bold statement. It's great marketing, no doubt about it. But our job is to look past the slogans and see what's really going on under the hood.
Which brings us right back to that big, juicy number. So let's dig in and get to the bottom of the $17,000 question. Is GrooveCM for real? Is it the all-in-one powerhouse it says it is?
So what is this thing exactly? Well, at its core, Groove.cm is what you call an all-in-one digital marketing platform. The whole idea is to give you every single tool you could possibly need to build, run, and grow an online business all from one place, one dashboard. And that .cm at the end, it's a nice touch. It actually stands for Customers Matter.
And here's the big idea visually. Right now, you're probably juggling, 18, maybe more separate subscriptions. You've got one for your website, one for email, one for your sales funnel. It's a mess. Groove.cm's entire mission is to just get rid of all that. One platform, one login, one bill. Period.
So, what does this all-in-one promise really mean in the real world? Let's take a look at what it's actually designed to replace for a business owner like you. Okay, we are talking about some of the biggest names out there. We're talking about replacing funnel builders like ClickFunnels, your email service like ActiveCampaign, e-commerce giants like Shopify, and on top of that, your website builder, your course platform like Kajabi, your video hosting like Vimeo. The list goes on. This is incredibly ambitious.
But, the one thing that really gets everybody's attention is the price. So let's follow the money here. Let's do the math on this lifetime deal that's causing all this buzz. So here it is. As of right now, you can get the Groove.cm Lifetime Platinum Plan for a single, one-time payment of $1,497. You pay that once, and that's it. You get lifetime access to everything. No more monthly bills.
Now, when you see that one-time cost next to the annual fees of its competitors, it's kind of shocking. ClickFunnels can run you almost $6,000 a year. Kartra, over $5,000. With Groove's lifetime deal, after that first payment, your annual cost for all these tools just drops to zero.
But, and this is a big but, here's the catch. This deal isn't going to be around forever. They've been very clear that the lifetime offer is going away, and they'll be switching to a regular monthly subscription plan. So that does create a very real sense of urgency.
Okay, so you pay that one price. What do you actually get? What's inside this all-in-one box? Let's take a quick peek at the main tools that come with the package.
Man, it is a seriously comprehensive suite. You've got Groove Pages, that's for all your websites and sales funnels, Groove Sell, which handles your checkout and your affiliate program, Groove Mail for all your email marketing, Groove Member so you can build and sell courses, Groove Video for hosting videos, Groove Cart for full-on e-commerce stores, and now they've even added things like Groove Webinar and Groove AI for creating content. It's the whole shebang.
So, with all these tools and that insane price, we have to ask the big question. Is it actually worth it? So let's get into the final verdict, the good, the bad, and the reality of what it means to be on an evolving platform.
The pros here are really clear and really powerful. First off, the cost savings. It's just massive. You can't argue with it. Second, it just makes your life simpler. Managing everything from one dashboard is a game changer for getting things done. Third, all the tools are built to work together, so you're not trying to duct tape 10 different apps together. And finally, this is huge. It's future-proof. You get all the new apps and all the updates included in that one-time price.
And this really gets to the heart of the trade-off. Let's take email marketing. Groove Mail is built right in, works perfectly with everything else, and costs you nothing extra. ActiveCampaign, on the other hand, is a super mature tool with some really advanced features. but you're going to pay a hefty monthly fee for it. Groove's whole philosophy is to give you the 80 or 90% of features that most people actually need without the specialist price tag.
So who is this really built for? Honestly, it's perfect for entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, digital marketers, coaches, you name it. But it's especially for anyone who is just sick and tired of what we call SaaS sprawl, that exhausting, expensive juggling act of paying for and managing a dozen different software tools just to run your business.
When you boil it all down, the final verdict from most people who've used it sounds a lot like this. If you want a complete, integrated system and you don't want to be shelling out $300, $400, $500 every single month forever, then the Groove.cm lifetime deal is hands down one of the best investments you can make.
So, to wrap this all up, maybe the real question isn't just about the money. It's a strategic one. You have to ask yourself, what does my business really need right now? Do you need the polished, specialized perfection that comes from paying for and wrestling with a bunch of separate tools? Or do you need the integrated power, the simplicity, and the incredible long-term value of investing in one single ecosystem that's constantly growing? That's really what it all comes down to.